and welcome back to my channel. So as you'll see by the title, today's video is an unboxing video and it's for the box of Look Fantastic. Now, I'm just gonna, before I go on about the box, I'm gonna clear something up. I did receive for the month of February a subscription box, which is a brand new one for us called Tribe Beauty. And in it was an eyeshadow palette called the Colour Block from Suva Beauty. And today, when I was supposed to be doing stuff, I decided to sit down and have a play and see if I could get a look out of it. So just to explain, the really colourful face, the really colourful makeup, yeah, that's what I was doing. I guess I just wanted to have a play about with the colours and see what would happen. I mean, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm going to go and take this off in a minute. But do you know what? I enjoyed having a bit of fun with the makeup and having a little look and seeing what it looked like. So that just explains that. And also I got false lashes. Free of a magazine, so completed the look. I hope you like it. If you do, let me know. If you think it's awful, I'm sorry. Anyway, let's get back to the box, which actually ties in with my makeup today. As I said, this is Look Fantastic. This is a subscription box that we get monthly, and I started it from, well, I actually got the December one because I actually started at the very end of December, but still got the December box, which I was really impressed with. So I've effectively, this will be my 4th box. So how Look Fantastic works, I've just got it in front of me here, is, as I said, it's monthly. And it's £15 a month. So if you wanted a one-off subscription, it's £15. That includes the delivery. However, there are options for you to do a 1-month recurring payment of £15, which means that you can cancel at any time. You could do a 3-month subscription. Again, the postage is included in all of these, and it works out £14.50. A 6-month subscription works out as £13.75, and a 12-month subscription works out at £13. So I went for the 6-month subscription, and just because I wasn't sure what the box would be like, but I'm quite happy with the box, and I think I will renew for a 12-month for the £13. So that's the boring stuff. Let's get into what's inside this box. So I actually haven't looked. Last month I was trying out looking at the box before I sort of opened it, but to be honest with you, I got distracted doing a makeup look and I haven't had time. And I just want to open this box because it's the 5th of March, so I've got it nice and early. It's the first one I've received. Actually, I've got Pink Parcel as well. I haven't opened that one yet. So I'm going to open this one today, Pink Parcel tomorrow. So the first thing that I see is a Look Fantastic Beauty Box magazine. And this is the box, the magazine that tells you everything that's in it. So I'm not going to look in that right now because I don't want to ruin what's inside the box. Oh, sorry, on the back it's got introducing the Look Fantastic Beauty Egg. Indulge the sister with this Look Fantastic Beauty Egg. Tucked inside a stunning round keepsake box are 7 individually wrapped eggs, each containing a beauty treat. As a beauty box subscriber, we'd like to offer you an incredible... Sorry about that. So for those of you that would like to wonder why my dogs just decide to suddenly start barking, it's because Maggie is on watch on the window. See if I can show you. She is, can you see her? There. You got her? There she is. And she is, sorry, people watching. And then Benny just likes to join in. Benny's on the sofa, having a wash. So that's what that noise is about. And I apologise about that. Sorry, I've re-straightened everything now. But that is why if you suddenly hear a noise of barking, it's because Maggie likes to look out the window all day, and if anybody or anything walks past it, she barks and she sets the others off. She is a troublemaker, aren't you, Maggie? She's going to go and sit on this sofa now. She's gone off in a strop. Okay, I do apologise. Going back to this. So apparently as a Beauty Box subscriber, we'd like to offer you an incredible discount. Keep an eye out on all our social channels. So I will, because that's interesting. That looks quite intriguing, don't you think? I want to know what it is. Okay, so with every month you get a Elle magazine, which is really cool. It's a small magazine, and the magazine itself is worth £4.95, and this is standard. You get this every month. I just like to have a little flip through and see what's what and get an idea of sort of fashion and what's going on in the world, really. So yeah, cool. The box itself looks like this. I'm going to open it. Oh, it sometimes has a little inscription. Ha! In the lid, it sometimes has a little inscription, I just remembered. And this one says, get ready to steal the spotlight. I think I made up appropriately for this video without knowing this. I haven't had any sneak peeks. I haven't watched anyone's videos yet, so I have no idea what's in this box. Okay. Okay, it's looking interesting. It's all purple. And can we see what we've got? A couple of names that jumped straight out to me. Okay, so we'll go with the sneaky peek from last month, which is the Ordinary Hydrochloric Acid. This is a full size 30ml bottle. I have this because I got it with a QVC bundle that I got there, foundation and serum, primer, and this. But it's really nice. It is just like quite a thick serum. Just put it on in the morning or at night or both, and it just gives your skin a good boost. So that's a really cool product to have. Does it say anything? We'll read about that in a moment. So the next product that we see, this I have to look at, is this Morphe High Impact Highlighter. It's pretty cool. It's a nice colour. Let's see if we can open this. Does it say anything? Just says highlighter on it. Sorry if I sniff a lot. I have developed a cold. I'm not happy because I've got a 3-day event coming up where I'm going to be going to learn. I'm going to Polymania, which is an event in Bristol. And people come from all over the world. I heard that someone's coming from Australia. We get Americans, it's amazing. And we get very well known and respected polymer clay artists who come and teach, and we get 3 and we have 3 days, and it's an amazing experience. So I've got that coming up on Friday. Today's Tuesday, and I woke up with snuffles this morning, so yay, lucky me. So this is the packaging here. This is nice. I'm just going to play about with the sun a moment. The light a moment. Okay, it's a bit better. Okay, so this is a lovely golden colour. I've already got highlighter on, and part of my look I got a little bit crazy. Went with the Jeffree Star Wet Dream Skin. It's not the Frost, it's the deluxe one. Okay, that's it on my hand there. It's very pretty. I mean, it is a little bit dark, but I think that will blend down beautifully. So that's really cool. I own a couple of Morphe eyeshadow palettes. I've got a Jaclyn Hill palette, and I've got the 35B. The 35B I wasn't very impressed with. The Jaclyn Hill one is very, very nice. And I've got one of their liquid lips in a red, and it is stunning. So that's very, very cool. Okay, so the next product that we've got is an EOS Organic. Is this a fruit balm? Fruit balm. Is this a lip balm? Yeah, lip care. Lasting hydrating lip care. So it's just a little lip care. So this is pretty cool. See if we can open this. Okay, so it's one of those that when you take the packaging off, you lose all the information. But oh, it's a twisty. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like kind of cherries or fruity. But that's all it is a nice. Oh, slightly tinted. Well, it's not, but it's brought a nice colour out. Lip balm, always handy. Always looking for a good lip balm. I do get very dry lips, so that's always a bonus. The next product is a the Ritual of Sakura, and this is a Soothing Hand Balm, Cherry Blossom and Rice Milk. Is it sealed? No, it's not. Again, I've mentioned this before, but I do suffer from dermatitis on one of my hands really badly. I do get it a little bit on the other hand, but this one really suffers. So I'm always looking for a really good hand cream that's just going to help keep them moisturised, but also not to irritate it. That's the other issue, it's that balance. But, oh, it smells really, really nice. So, and when I had my nails done, the girl that did my nails, she was like, your hands are very dry. You need to moisturise more. So I was like, okay. So that's a cool product. I've had a couple of the Rituals products before, and they've always been lovely products. So I'm happy with that. The next product, oh, I can never say this, but I understand it to be quite an expensive, well-known kind of skincare range. Omorovicza. I don't know. This one here. See if we can get it to show you. Can you see? This one. Is it showing it? There we go. So yeah. So this is a cleansing foam. It is a 30ml, so I assume it's probably a trial size. It's sealed. I'm not going to open it right now because I will use this, but I've got a few products on the go at the moment, so I'm tending not to try to open all the same products at the same time. That way it's going to give them better sort of shelf life as such. So, okay, that's cool. And then finally, we have this big box for something really kind of light. It's an anti-pollution charcoal and mud repair mask from Madara Organic Skincare, and it just says smart. So this is what the packaging says. I should let you see that before I started trying to open it really. So that's that. It's a lot of effort for such a tiny tube, right? And yeah, okay. Target signs of aging and detoxes. So that is what that is. So the products that you've got are the little tiny mask, which, is 12.5ml or 0.4 fluid ounces. So we've got this, we've got the lip balm, we've got the cleansing foam, the hand balm, and then we've got the Morphe. Oh, we've got the Morphe highlighter, and we've got the ordinary serum. So I'll just quickly look at the prices for you and let you know if there's anything interesting about them, just so that and I'll try and tot it up in a moment for you. So the Morphe highlighter is in the shade Spark. Oh, it doesn't tell you the price. Okay, so I will edit in the price, so if I can find it. So the Morphe highlighter is in the shade Spark, and it's a highlighter, so you know we know how that works on the high points of your face. The name I can't say. The cleansing foam. Again, it just says lightly moisten face and apply a pearl size amount. Remove makeup and impurities without stripping the skin with this gentle foaming cleanser, devoid of harmful sulfates, containing white lupin to energize the skin, and detoxifying copper glucinate. Skin will be left fresh and clear. Okay, give that a go. Then you've got the ordinary hyaluronic acid. Again, treat your complexion to a moisture boost with this intensely hydrating serum, packed full of hyaluronic acid to deliver long-lasting moisture. This serum acts as a hydration support formula, excuse me, to leave skin smooth, plump and youthful looking. What's in the box? The Rituals hand balm. Relieve dry and tired hands with this luxurious soothing hand balm. The face mask. Purify and decongest the complexion with this detoxifying treatment mask. Infused with antioxidants, vitamins and essential minerals. And then you have the Esos lip balm. And again, achieve perfectly soft lips with this handy lip balm enriched with moisturising shea butter and conditioning oils to give you softer and nourished lips. And that's pretty much it. Then it just says spotlight on our subscribers, a little bit about that, which is quite nice. It's quite personal. People's comments and stuff are in there. And we've got a co-founder with Morphe. This is the palette that I've got, actually, the Jacqueline Hill palette. It is a beautiful palette. Spotlight on retinol. Does it tell us a sneaky peek of next month's? It doesn't appear to tell us a sneaky peek. Have I missed that? No sneaky peeks. No. Just says about the egg on the back, but I can't see a sneaky peek. So basically, that's the box for this month. What do you think of it? I will add the total in somewhere, but you definitely, with that one or two of these products alone, you've got your money back. There's 3, possibly 4 full-size products in here, and then I think a sample size of the mask and the cleansing foam. So, you know, you've definitely got your money's back worth with just these. I'm quite happy with this month's box. There's a nice little variety. You've got some nice products in there. So, yeah, some good names. I'm happy. What do you think? Let me know down below. I'd love to hear what you think. Did you get the same? Did you get something different? As always, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please click subscribe and maybe the notification bell. That would be greatly appreciated. And as always, please, please, please have a great day.